Hi, I'm Sian and I'm Nana. There's 3 generations of us living in this house. We want to give you a short review on our new fridge freezer, which is made by AEG. And going first is Jessica. Come over, Jess.
I like the fridge freezer because it's nice and big to fit all that food in. But the problem is that I can't reach up there. But it's a good job that I've got my store with me. Now I'm going to pass you on to Mummy.
Hi, I'm Sam and I love our new fridge freezer. The fridge is wonderful and big, much bigger than our old one. However, the freezer space isn't great. It's not the biggest. If we didn't have a separate freezer, then we probably would be in trouble because there's 5 of us in this house. But the drawer in the middle is nice and big, so you can actually fit quite a lot in, so that does make a difference. But here's my mum and her review.
Hi, so it's back to me just for our roundup. So on the whole, as you gathered, we're pretty pleased with it. Lots of room in the fridge. You can see we've got 2 adjustable shelves here, which we have moved since we've had them, and a nice little bottle rack in case you need a glass of wine or something fizzy. And I particularly like these nice drawers. They are, you can see, absolutely massive to take your fruit and your vegetables in. And of course the door's got the shelves, as usual, to stop things falling out of it. So I'll just shut that. And I think Samantha was saying to you about the size of the freezer. So again, there's 3 different drawers in here. The biggest one is the centre one, which really is nice and deep, so you can get lots in it. The bottom one is only half the size of the others. Didn't go back. And you can see that they are transparent, so you can see what you've got in there. And when you're defrosting it, I haven't even looked at the defrosting, but you could take them out, stack those, make it easy to wipe down the surfaces. So all in all, we're very pleased with that. The only negative thing, as we said, is because there's lots of us here, we would need a second freezer if we didn't already have one, just because we like to have a lot of frozen stuff and freeze our leftovers. Hope that's useful, and thanks very much.